Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. And yes, we're on another Plaza tour, another drive-in Plaza review. Today we're on the popular and the long-standing King's Plaza. I know a lot of you persons on the channel may have done some form of transaction on this plaza before. It's one of the older type plaza in Alpha Tree. It's on Constant Spring Road. So today we're just taking a quick driving tour of King's Plaza for you guys, so you guys can basically see around the place. So definitely stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, if that subscribe button is still red, just click on it, turn it gray, and join the family as well. Remember to like, remember to leave a comment, and remember to definitely share. Some of the businesses here, we have gaming and betting, we have wholesale, money transfer, water store, cycle store, dental and medical. We have the popular Brian Photo Studio, restaurants, clothes store, beauty supplies. So a lot of wide range businesses are a part of this plaza. So again, King's Plaza, Alpha Tree, just off Constant Spring Road. Just giving you guys a drive-in tour. And I see a Toyota Rush. It's right there in the frame. I always highlight it because you know I'm Rush. That's my name. And the name of the channel is Rush Raymore. So I always highlight. So how many of you guys drive a Toyota Rush? Are used to drive one? Are planning on driving one? Let me know in the comment section as well. So that was a little commercial break from our regular programming. Back to the Plaza view now. So we see Cosmident Dental Center upstairs, Brian Photo Studio upstairs. So not a very big, not a very large plaza, but it's quite adequate. There's a lot of different shops nevertheless. It's 2 floors as you guys can see as well. So this is the King's Plaza off Constant Spring Road in Alpha Tree. To this space for a little bit. Show you guys a quick swing around the plaza as well. Hopefully I can get a good view. Alright, so those are some of the places upstairs. Yeah, not the best of views, but let's see if we get a better view. Alright, so just showing you guys some more shots of the plaza. And again, I know you guys may have visited this plaza before. I've done some form of business. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever been to King's Plaza Alpha Tree. Let me know in the comments, guys. Alright, let's head back on the drive-in. So This plaza is also on North Avenue. That's one entrance. Central Avenue is one entrance as well. North Avenue is one of those streets in Kingston that not a lot of persons have ever been on. It has a dead end, I think, and you know, for some reason not a lot of persons have reasons to come on this street as well. So most persons have never been on North Avenue. It's right in the middle of Halfway Tree. So that's showing you guys just a quick look on North Avenue. So I'm seeing a few business places, a few apartments as well. A few houses, detached houses. So this is North Avenue, guys, and there are some older type apartments as well. If this road wasn't a dead end, then it would lead on to Waterloo Road. So just over these fences, and this building right here would have been Waterloo Road. So I think this is the back of an apartment. And then this looks like a plant nursery. Alright guys, so that was North Avenue. So that's bringing you guys back out to the main, back out to Constant Spring Road. And then you have a little cul-de-sac right here. Look like there's a few townhouses right in the middle of Halfway Tree. So not a lot of them. Seems as if it's just 4 in total. So these are some prime real estate, but honestly speaking, in my personal opinion, I think this avenue is a bit neglected because it's a bit run down in terms of the property, in terms of the look, but yet it's so very central with so much potential, you know. But I guess the right investors will eventually come. Alright guys, so we're heading out onto Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, so we're on Constant Spring Road. I'm gonna end the video any day now. So it was a quick video just showing you guys around King Plaza and also North Avenue. So leave your comments. Remember to like the video and share the video as well so that more persons can see. You know, all that does help the YouTube algorithm to spread the video to new persons. So share. Remember to like as well. And as usual, you know, I have the persons who always comment, who always share their thoughts. Thank you in advance. And thanks to all the support, guys. So see you on another driving video.